Crash course on Italian language. An introduction to the Italian language, including basic grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Introduction. Ciao. Welcome to the world of Italian language. Italian is one of the most romantic, expressive, and melodious languages in the world. The language is spoken by more than 85 million people globally, with Italy being the primary country where it is spoken. In this crash course, we will introduce you to the Italian language, covering basic grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Basic grammar. Italian has a similar sentence structure to English, with subject-verb-object, SVO, construction. In Italian, articles are very important and often used with nouns, and they come before the noun they refer to. Italian also has gendered nouns, so you will need to learn which nouns are feminine and which are masculine. Nouns that end in O are usually masculine, while those that end in A are usually feminine. Another essential part of Italian grammar is verbs. Verbs in Italian are conjugated, meaning they change based on who is performing the action, as well as the tense. There are three main verb types in Italian: er, and ire. Each type follows a specific pattern of conjugation. Vocabulary. Italian has many words that are similar to English, as both languages share a common ancestor, Latin. Some examples of similar words include hotel, radio, and museo. Italian also has many words that are derived from Greek, such as philosophia, philosophy, and demokrasia, democracy. Pronunciation. Italian pronunciation is relatively easy once you get the hang of it. Italian has 5 vowel sounds: A, E, I, O, and U, and they are pronounced very distinctly. Italian is a phonetic language, which means that the way words are written is almost always the way they are pronounced. Some key pronunciation tips include: double consonants are pronounced differently than single consonants. Stress usually falls on the second to last syllable of the word, unless there is an accent mark indicating otherwise. Italian has some unique sounds, such as the rolled R and the GL sound. Interesting stories and examples. Italian is a beautiful and diverse language with a rich history and culture. Here are some interesting stories and examples to excite our readers. Italian has a special term for the sound of silence, silenzio stampa. This term refers to when the media is requested to stop reporting on a particular issue, often to prevent further public outrage or speculation. Italy is known for its rich history of art and architecture. Some famous Italian artists include Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Botticelli. Italy is also home to some of the most iconic landmarks in the world, such as the Colosseum, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and the Trevi Fountain. Italians are known for their love of food, and Italian cuisine is some of the most beloved in the world. Popular Italian dishes include pizza, pasta, risotto, and gelato. Italians also have a tradition of aperitivo, where they gather before dinner for a drink and small appetizers. Top 12 popular Italian phrases with English translation. Ciao, hello, goodbye. Grazie, thank you. Prego, you're welcome. Buongiorno, good morning, good day. Buona sera, good evening. Mi chiamo, my name is. Come stai, how are you? Molto bene, very well. Scusa, sorry, excuse me. Mi dispiace, I'm sorry. Per favor, please. Summarizing what we've learned so far, Italian is a beautiful and romantic language that has a lot in common with English due to its Latin roots. The language has a subject-verb-object sentence structure, and articles are important in Italian grammar. Nouns in Italian are gendered, with masculine nouns often ending in O and feminine nouns in A. Italian verbs are conjugated based on who is performing the action and the tense. Italian pronunciation is relatively easy once you get the hang of it, with 5 vowel sounds and some unique sounds like the rolled R and the GL sound. Italian is a language that is rich in history and culture, with famous artists like Leonardo da Vinci and iconic landmarks like the Colosseum. Italian cuisine is also world famous, with dishes like pizza, pasta, and gelato. Finally, we have learned 12 popular Italian phrases that will help you get by when visiting Italy. Now, let's end this article with a poem about the beauty of the Italian language. Oh, Italian language, so sweet and melodious. Your words are like music to my ears. Your grammar and vocabulary, so rich and diverse, bring joy to all who hear. From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the bustling streets of Rome, your beauty and charm, so enchanting, make me feel right at home. With phrases like ciao and grazie, I am welcomed with open arms. And when I speak Italian fluently, I feel like a part of something warm. Oh, Italian language, how I adore thee. Your culture and history so deep. I will continue to learn and love thee. And forever in my heart you'll keep. ****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.